G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 28 O'Connell Parade in the popular and centrally located suburb of Irraween. As usual, there's a bit to take in. Let's go take a look around. This lovely inner suburban oasis was completed in 2018 and is perfectly positioned on a spacious, low maintenance 701 square metre allotment, allowing clear side access and ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats, making it the perfect home base to return to between your nomadic travels. This home is located in the highly sought after master planned community of Augustus in the popular Hervey Bay suburb of Irraween. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with having essential amenities all nearby, including shopping centres, schools, hospitals, a golf course, esplanade, beach, and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Upon entering, you are immediately drawn to that vast open plan dining and living area, which does form the heart of this light-filled home. Enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that create something special with an intuitive and creative floor plan. There is more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish modern kitchen does feature that large island bench with those beautiful stone bench tops and that wonderful print of Whitehaven Beach below the breakfast bar, and you'll note there's ample storage as well as a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric oven and a 4-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, as well as a dishwasher, making it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. You've also got an intuitive media station or study nook located in that main living area as well to accommodate all of today's technology. This stunning home does utilise its space perfectly, with the vast open plan indoor dining and living areas seamlessly opening out to that north facing al fresco outdoor entertaining area with a natural gas barbecue connection point, overlooking the private backyard with established low maintenance gardens. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. There is also a separate media room where you'll be able to kick back, relax and enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest movie releases. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the main open plan dining and living area, as well as the media room and the main bedroom for year-round comfort. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a vanity, shower and toilet. The bathroom includes a sumptuous bath, shower, vanity and a toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline via the garage. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the oversized double garage with seamless 2-pack floor and remote panel lift door. There is also clear side access and loads of space to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat. You could also add a high entry carport or shed if desired. There's even space for a pool. The energy conscious will appreciate the 5.3 kilowatt solar power system and natural gas instant hot water service. And there is a large garden shed with shelving to store all your gardening equipment. Homes as well presented as this, offering these features in this location, are always in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.